Hey, if you got a big cat and you want a cat door, well, here in the Lowe's back aisle, they got one for $9.50. It used to be $38. And if you ever thought about pocket doors, well, they've got the markdown $53.37 down from $88.98. That's the hardware to do it. And here's another one. It's $16.37 down from $19.28. Hey, you need a terracotta pot? There you go. $10.78 down from $17.98. That's a good deal. And do you want some attachments for your shop vac? I've got this $11.47 down from $13.48. See what else we got here. Here's an adapter. That'll take several different kinds. $9.57 down from $15.98. Crevice tool. They've got them $8.37 down from $13.99 and $9.77 down from $11.48. And here's a brush for doing upholstery. $7.17 down from $8.48. They've got some other things too. Got a Craftsman shop vac. Well, there's a cartridge filter, $16.07 down from $18.98. And in this Lowe's back aisle, they've still got a bunch of things to help your plants grow better. $8.98 down from $11.98 for some stuff for your blooms. And you want to make your organics go better? $15.73 down from $20.98. Lots of things. Here's a screen cleaner. $6.74 down from $8.99. Get that monitor looking fantastic. And if you've got azaleas, camellia, and rhododendron, $4.36 down from $12.98. All in the Lowe's back aisle.